Let's see a question on quadrant. We have a quadrant AED whose radius is r. Now it is given that AB is 3 root 2 and BC is 2. Also, we can see that FC is parallel to ED. We need to find the value of BD because BD is given A root B by C, where B and C are prime, and ultimately we need to find the value of B plus C. Fine. Now to solve such questions, keep in mind that E is center, and any point which is on periphery of the quadrant which is on circle. If we connect that point to center, we know that distance will be constant and will be equal to radius, which is small r. Fine. Now let's connect the 2 points C and D. Okay. We can tell that CE length will be small r because C point is on the periphery of the circle. Now side AE will be equal to ED because both are radius, hence these two angles will be equal, and it is 90 degrees, so it will be 45 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 90, this one will be also 45, and these both angles are equal, then these both sides are equal, and the hypotenuse is 3 root 2. Let's assume that the length of this side is x, so x square plus x square equal to 3 root 2 whole square, where we can find that x is equal to 3. Hence this length is 3. We know that this is 2. So complete FC length is 5. Now if length AE is r, AF is 3, then we can say that FE is r minus 3. Also EC is r. Also we know that FC is 5, and this angle is 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle FEC. So applying Pythagoras theorem on the triangle FEC, we can write 5 square plus r minus 3 whole square equal to r square. Fine. We can find the value of r from this equation, like r square plus 9 minus 6r plus 25 equal to r square, which gets cancelled. R equal to 34 upon 6, which is 17 upon 3. So r comes out to be 17 upon 3. Now we can find the length of AD, which will be r square plus r square is equal to AD square. So AD will be r root 2. We know that r is equal to 17 upon 3. So AD length will be r root 2, which is 17 root 2 by 3. Now AD is AB plus BD. AB plus BD, and we know that AB equal to 3 root 2. So BD will be AD minus AB. Also we know both the values, so putting both the values in this equation, 17 root 2 upon 3 minus 3 root 2, sorry for my writing skill, it will be 8 root 2 by 3. Also this is the simplest form, where comparing this 8 root 2 upon 3 to A root B by C, we can tell that B and C, which are 2 and 3, are prime. So the value of B plus C will be 5. Hence this will be the answer. Thank you.